My name is Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl. It's my job to give you the no BS truth about what women want versus what they say they want. And before I dive into this week's video, I have a very small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please click the button below and share this video with others. Even if you don't like this video, share it, post it on hate sites, and tell everyone why you hate my advice. And I mean, a share's a share, right? I now want to share a fantasy with you, and after, you can tell me if it's yours too. After what seems like an eternity of fumbling with her keys and giggling, the door to her apartment swings open. She's invited you up for some wine and a movie after what seemed like an amazing date. The two of you just hit it out of the park. Feels like you've known each other for years, and she's flirting and touching you all night. Do you play this cool, aloof? All the PUAs say you should play hard to get after all. So you sit down on the couch and she joins you with a bottle of Pinot. She opens the TV and starts flicking through her Netflix, and she asks, "What movie do you want to watch?" Your heart's pounding so hard you almost check your pulse to make sure you're not going into cardiac arrest. That's when it hits you square in the face. Wait a minute, you think to yourself. She's invited me up to her apartment for wine and Netflix. She wants me to make a move. She definitely wants me to make a move. I need to be direct like Marni's been telling me. Yes, I am like Jiminy Cricket in this story. So you pull her in close and you look directly in her eyes and say, "I had a really good time tonight," almost whispering. And she goes, "Me too," she says, batting her eyes at you. And you say, "I can't lie." You reach over and caress her leg. "And I don't want to play games. I want you so bad," as you squeeze her inner thigh. You go in for a deep, passionate kiss. "Me too," she says to you softly. Okay, we got to stop this because I think I might get taken down from YouTube a little bit more, and I was going to have to give this video an R rating, and I want everybody to see it. So let's get serious for a moment. Do you see how being direct and honest about what you want is downright sexy? Most girls would go bananas for a guy who did just what I described. And for good reason, because guess what? There aren't a lot of guys who would do that. You'd be the guy she'd run to tell all of her friends about in the morning. And they'd be jealous. I'm telling you, they totally would be. Now look, I'm not going to BS you and tell you that's all there is to it. Obviously, there are details that make the difference between a success and a failure, but the point still remains. This is what being direct looks like. If you think being direct and not pussyfooting around is for you, if you know deep in your heart that you want to finally stand up and own being a man, if you want to be the guy that the girl whispers about within their social circles and the guys are all in jaw-dropping awe about how you do what you do, then you should watch this video I've posted on my blog for you by going to winggirlmethod.com/bedirect, but only if you're ready. For more tips on how to spark attraction and desire in any woman you meet, go to winggirlmethod.com/bedirect. I'll see you soon.